That's remora, man. Remora. Okay guys, welcome back to kmasvlogs. So me and my friend Jerome at the Southside public boat ramps. We are going to 10 miles in to the Freeport, like to the artificial reef or like the Sangas ship. So probably we can catch something. Stay tuned.
See these blue marks?
Yeah. That's 50?
Yeah, that's the marks I was talking about.
Okay.
Okay, so there's one. This blue mark, so that's 50 feet.
Okay.
Right here.
Okay, I got you.
It's the only mark that you see anywhere near. So that means it's 50 feet out.
50 feet, okay. That's remora, man. Remora. Yeah. There you go. Yeah, it's called sucker fish. It's got like something to take it out, like plier.
Yeah, got pliers.
I got one here. See this part? That's gonna stuck on the board. Like if you hold it like this. No, I'm not gonna. It's gonna stuck. They got a suction part right here.
Oh, interesting.
They're the ones stuck on the shark.
Yep.
Yeah. It's called I think it's called remora, whatever. Yeah, something like that. Yeah, I don't think they're edible. I'm not sure.
Gotcha.
Yeah. So they do have some other fish, like going swimming around, but there's some small ones.
Working for drawing them over.
Yeah.
So that's nice to know.
Yeah, they're so fast, man. These guys.
Wow.
Damn, another one. Same thing. Same guy. Oh, that's neat. Alright guys, so we were in 8 miles and one of our friends got sick, so we pretty much went back, so it just like only thing we were catching there is just remoras and some that's it, and he got sick, so we were going back. So we came back to the I think it was in like 3-4 miles, and pretty much we were getting catfish. Catfish.
It's a cat.
Yeah. Yep. Yes, sir.
A little hard here, huh? Yep. There's the cat, huh?
Yeah, capcut.
Oh, oh no, that looks like a nice size cat. This has a boat for sure on the front.
Damn. You want to use a croaker?
Oh, you got a croaker?
Yeah.
Hey, yeah, he's bait. Alright, I'll put him on a hook and go for it.
Hook. All right.
That's your heat, mate. He might be what hitting mine, but couldn't take it. Too low, things too big for you. That's why I like to fish with big bait. Show it.
Really.
Croaker, huh?
Yeah.
I heard it. Almost.
Not bad.
Okay, guys, we didn't catch anything special. I mean, all thing I caught too was a remora. That's my first time getting it, and this is the first time I'm doing a private boat with my friend. Rest of them is just the usual suspects, catfish, and you know, like croaker, sand trout, stuff like that. But it was a fun, you know, first time doing it. It was you know, I did like public boats, like, you know, party boat before, but first time doing like a charter, like you know, a private boat. So it's a fun. I'll probably gonna do it next time, and probably we can catch some big fish. All right, guys, thank you very much.